In the NPM run lesson, you saw how to use Mocha to run some basic tests. However, you had to run the test manually by running a shell command. Another key advantage of Node.js and the NPM ecosystem is that there are tools to automate virtually everything, including running tests whenever a file changes. Now, Gulp is a tool that enables you to watch a set of files and automatically rerun your tests whenever a file changes. So when you run Gulp, Gulp starts and waits for a file to change. When it changes, it runs your tests, and then it reports the results and goes back to waiting for more file changes. This enables you to get fast feedback on your work. You don't have to retype your test command to run your tests. All you have to do is hit Control S. Gulp is the leading Node.js task runner and build system. Gulp is organized as a lightweight core that provides a highly pluggable API. Typically, when you use Gulp, you'll install the Gulp core, followed by numerous Gulp plugins. There are Gulp plugins for a wide variety of Node.js packages. As you might have guessed, the Gulp Mocha package is a Mocha plugin for Gulp. Gulp code is separated out into tasks. By default, your package's Gulp tasks are listed in a file called gulpfile.js. So in this example Gulp file, you have two tasks. The first is this test task. This task takes this test.js file and pipes it into the Mocha plugin and catches any errors. This task does the same thing as the npm test script that you saw in the npm run lesson. As you can see, all Gulp did was run the test script for you. So far though, the only thing that introducing Gulp has done is make your test command longer. The real magic is in the other Gulp task. The watch task uses the gulp.watch function, which watches the specified files for changes and executes the corresponding tasks. In this case, the watch task watches every JS file in the current directory and reruns the test task when any of the files change. Now, in order to make Gulp easier to run, let's add a watch script to package.json that will run gulp watch for you. And now when you run npm run watch, gulp watch will start and Gulp will start watching the file system for changes. So now let's go to test.js and make one of the tests fail. So let's change this test to assert that a is equal to b, which is obviously false. And let's hit :w to save the file. As you can see, Gulp automatically reran the tests using the default Mocha reporter and caught that, okay, a does not equal b. Now if you go, change it back, :w, Gulp reruns the tests again, and the tests succeed this time.